How to share mobile internet with router. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you share mobile internet with the router. So to share your mobile internet with the router, you need to enable mobile hotspot on your phone. After which, then configure your router to connect to that hotspot either through a repeater or extender mode, or by using a USB 2-lane in adapter. Now what you have to do is, first thing, to enable hotspot, you want to go to settings and then click on network and internet, after which you want to click on hotspot and tethering. If you want to use a USB, then you want to toggle a button for USB tethering, or if you are using a Bluetooth connection, you want to toggle on that. So likewise, once you've enabled this option, then you'll be able to, then you just have to go ahead and customize a network name SSID and a password under security, and you just have to follow the prompt as what it's gonna show you the next step, and that's how you could do it. So now likewise, what you have to do is, to configure your router, you need to access your router's admin panel, usually by typing the router's IP address in the web browser. You could find the quick setup or wireless repeater or extender option there, and select your mobile hotspot from the list of available network, enter in the hotspot password. So if you don't know how to look for an IP address, you could just go to the browser and type in what's my IP address, and once you do it, so it's gonna take you to this browser. So you just have to make sure to go ahead and follow the steps and you'll be able to locate it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.